Welcome to Learn English Through Stories. On today's video, we are going to read about the coffee shop dream, the story of Emma. Now, let's read the story together. After that, we are going to check on some vocabulary from the story. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Emma was a young woman who loved coffee. Every morning, she walked to her favorite coffee shop, Sunny Beans. It was a small, cozy place with big windows, soft chairs, and the smell of fresh coffee. The walls were painted yellow, and there were pictures of happy customers on the wall. Emma always ordered the same thing, a large cappuccino with a little cinnamon on top. She would sit by the window and watch the people passing by. Some people rushed to work while others walked slowly, enjoying the morning sun. One day, Emma had a thought. What if I had my own coffee shop? I could decorate it with my favorite colors and serve the best coffee in town. But then she felt nervous. How can I do it? She thought. I don't have much money and I don't know how to start. A few weeks later, Emma noticed a sign on the door of Sunny Beans. It said, "Meet the owner. Ben will answer your questions about coffee and business." The event was on Saturday afternoon. Emma was excited. This is my chance to learn. On Saturday, Emma arrived early and sat in the front row. Ben, the owner, was a kind man in his 40s. He had dark, curly hair and always wore a blue apron. He greeted everyone with a big smile. "Welcome, everyone," Ben said. "Today I will tell you about my journey with Sunny Beans and answer your questions." Ben told his story. He started working in a small cafe when he was 18. "I didn't know anything about coffee back then," he said, "but I loved learning how to make different drinks. I saved my money and took a course about business. After a few years, I opened Sunny Beans. It was scary at first, but I never gave up." When it was time for questions, Emma raised her hand. "Hi, Ben," she said. "My name is Emma. I love coffee, and I want to open my own coffee shop. But I don't know how to start. What should I do?" Ben smiled. "That's a great dream, Emma. The first step is to believe in yourself. Then make a plan. Think about how much money you need and what kind of coffee shop you want. Do you want it to be small and cozy or big and modern?" Emma thought for a moment. "I want a cozy shop, like Sunny Beans. A place where people feel at home." "That's a wonderful idea," Ben said. "Start small. You don't need a lot of money at the beginning. You can save money by working part-time or selling coffee at events. Also, take a course about business. You will learn how to manage money and attract customers." Emma thanked Ben and went home with a notebook full of ideas. She wrote down her goals and started researching online courses. She also bought a small coffee machine and practiced making coffee for her friends and family. Her friends loved her coffee. "Emma, this is amazing," her friend Sarah said. "I would come to your coffee shop every day." Months passed, and Emma worked hard. She saved money by working as a barista in another cafe. She also watched videos about coffee and read books about running a business. One day, Emma found a small shop for rent. It was perfect, cozy, and in a good location. She used her savings to rent the space and buy furniture. She painted the wall light blue and put plants in every corner. When Dreamy Cups opened, Emma felt nervous but excited. Her first customer was a woman with a little boy. "Welcome to Dreamy Cups," Emma said with a big smile. The woman ordered a latte, and the boy asked for hot chocolate. Emma made their drinks carefully, just the way they liked them. Soon, more people came for her shop. They loved the warm atmosphere and Emma's friendly service. Emma always remembered their names and their favorite drinks. Over time, Dreamy Cups became a popular place in the neighborhood. Emma's dream had come true, and she couldn't be happier. Now that we have read the story of Emma, let's talk about some important words from it. These words will make the story easier to understand and are useful for you to practice in your own conversations. Let's begin. Drinks. Liquids that people drink, like water, coffee, tea, or juice. Example: Emma served a variety of drinks, including iced coffee and herbal tea. Advice: an opinion or suggestion about what someone should do in a particular situation. Example: Ben gave Emma great advice on how to start her business. Barista: a person who makes and serves coffee, especially in a coffee shop. Example: Emma trained to become a skilled barista before opening her shop. Rent: the money you pay to use something like a house, an apartment, a car, or a shop that belongs to someone else. Example: Emma found a small shop for rent in the city center. Customers: people who buy goods or services from a business. Example: the shop was full of happy customers enjoying their coffee. Cozy: comfortable, warm, and inviting, often used to describe a place or atmosphere. Example: the coffee shop had a cozy corner with soft chairs and dim lighting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to download the free PDF worksheet so you can practice what you have learned on this video. Thank you.